During my last recording, we looked into generation of a bursted document for ReportCaster. The second video will cover a slightly easier variant of that scenario. In here, we're going to use the same report, our Excel document. Let's quickly open it up, which is, as you remember, a very, very simple document with 2 pages, page 1 and page 2. Both are filtered based on the store business region. And you can use different output format. In the last sample, I changed the video. In the video, I changed it to Excel. Of course, you can use XLSX as a format. You could also use HTML analytic document in here. So whatever you decide is going to be your preferred document output format. Choose what you like. And we're going to keep it now. And we're going to schedule that document in addition to the first one. So let's schedule it via email. Of course, you could use different output formats or output or distribution methods like a FTP server. I'm going to stick with email addresses. I'm going to stick with one email address now because I want multiple documents, but all those documents sent to the same email address, or if I use FTP, sent to the same FTP location, just as a splitted document. So now no changes in here. So I'm going to move over to task. Remember the parameters in here. Go to that one. In the last sample, I changed my filter values here. I selected just a few of them. Of course, you can keep it to all if I don't want to limit the value. So keep it to all. Just activate repeat task for each selected value. Click on OK. Click on OK. And now I activated bursting. I can save my document. So put it into the same location. Just call it simple. Save it. We can look into the log files. Nothing happened yet. Save it again. Of course, I could schedule it to run at a certain time, weekly, monthly, whatever. For my sample, I'm going to do it just manually. There's my simple one. Just run it manually instead of waiting for a few weeks, months, or days. So wait for the document to finish. Of course, I can always look into the log file. You can see it's still working, it's still running, and there's my email. I can update the log file, it distributed all those different files to myself. So if I look into my email, there's my Excel folder, and I get different documents per field. So I've got one for EMEA, I've got one for North America, I've got one for South America. We can open up the file, of course. There's my document with the 2 reports. And that's the simple way to distribute that type of report. Please watch my next video. See you there.